Hello everyone, I'm Jenny and I do marketing. If you are doing TikTok marketing, you already know how important comments are. They increase visibility, boost engagement, and can even make your video go viral. But imagine this, instead of manually commenting hundreds of times, you can let software do it for you automatically. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to use software to auto-comment on TikTok video based on keyword. Let's get started. First, open software and go to the viral marketing section. Here, select comment by keyword. This lets your account automatically find comment on TikTok video that match your chosen keyword. And then I enter my keywords list. For example, Mercedes. The keyword helps the software target exactly the audience and content I want to reach. It's smart, efficient, and way more targeted than random commenting. Next, it's time to set up your run script. You can choose how each account behaves. For example, each account can use 1 to 3 keywords, or you can adjust the video viewing time before commenting. This makes it look more human-like and organic, helping your account avoid TikTok spam filter. It is small detail, but it will make a big difference in long-term performance. Now, enter the comment content you want your account to post. You can add multiple comments so the tool can rotate them. That helps everything look more natural. Also, make sure to enable Do Not Reuse comments so each comment stays unique and doesn't look repetitive across multiple videos. Once everything is ready, select the account you want to use, then hit Start. Now you will see the software automatically finding video, watch them, and dropping your comment, all hands-free. As you can see, the process is running smoothly. Accounts are commenting naturally, one after another. It feels like a team of real people leaving comments all over TikTok. And the benefit? You push engagement across trending video. You drive attention back to your profile or product. You save tons of time and manpower. No more hiring team to comment manually. And you build organic reach in the most natural way possible. In short, this every marketer dream powerful automation that looks human. So that's how you use software to auto-comment on TikTok video by keyword. If you want to try it out, I will leave my WhatsApp contact here, or you can find my WhatsApp and Telegram in the description and comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.